Keeps calling me back. I'm a couple hundred miles to the Cumberland Gap. Sweet Appalachia keeps calling me back.
Sit here, wait for the birds to go in there.